Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Kum Shipan taban Khlaiñ ya ki khun samla ka jala Meghalaya but kum ju ru ki samla ka than chatai la ngi ki Shipai Suiñ ka Indian Air Force menta ka sngi ka arphoterik risaw arajar pulai ki la pen inam ya ki Lieng Suiñ Ïapom nak menta ka jing rakhe ya ka jing dap khandai voice nam ka Indian Air Force Eastern Air Command Shillong kani ka jing pen inam ki Lieng Suiñ Ïapom dak Shipai Suiñ ka dei ha ka sien ka baning kong ban pelong ya kum kani ka jing pen inam ya ki Lieng Suiñ Ïapom ha ka jala Meghalaya kabala pelong hakapung umiam ki Lieng Suiñ Ïapom ki Shipai Suiñ ki bala pen inam menta kasngi ki dei ki Lieng Suiñ ki bala tip kum ki advanced light and chinook helicopters ki Dornier transport aircraft ki Su-30 ki Rafale fighter jets bat ka sarang helicopter ka jing tu ba khongsan ki Shipai Suiñ ban pelong ki jing pen I ha Meghalaya ka dei ban Khlaiñ ya ki khon samla ki badan ka sam bat ki badan ka jing tu ban rong sha ka kam Shipai kani ka jing pen inam de Shipai Suiñ kala pensyok Biej bat penyap mat ya ki sab ba ki pilot ki la pen I Paidbah ha kapung umyam habai keren bat USP Dharkar ubre wing commander ulaong ba kani ka dikasien ka banding kong pe Shipai Suiñ kin pen inam Paidbah bat ki tu ki samla ki bawan pan pej ha ki museum kan da Khlaiñ shisai ya ka jingmut ka jingpat khat ka ba ki kwa bandrong sha kani ka kam Shipai
until the rowers are nearly vertical and crossing in very close proximity. Look straight ahead for crossover break as we await the leader's call. And crossed in the same vertical plane with a gap of less than 10 meters right in front of you. Please don't share that for double cross.
Basically, today's program was towards motivating Shillong Northeast to come and join Indian Armed Forces, Defence Forces. That is our basic aim. That's why we, and to also make public aware about the might of the Indian Air Force.
The formations, we started with the air show. The first formation was 3 Su-30s in the WIG formation, followed by the 3 ALH Mark III helicopters, which are indigenously built by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, showcasing another Hindustan Aeronautics Limited aircraft, which is indigenous aircraft, that is the Dornier aircraft, and followed by we had the Chinook, the only heavy lift aircraft that is helicopter available with the Indian Air Force, and the Rafales, and then we handed over to the Sarangs for their display.
Which is the Sarangs are the, also they fly ALH, and which is also our indigenously built aircraft. And you all will be proud to know that our team, this Sarang helicopter display team, is the only 5 helicopter military display team in this entire world. Sarang formation was led by our commanding officer, Group Captain Santosh Kumar Mishra. With him flying was squadron leader Akash. He's the youngest pilot of our team. In number 2, it was our flight commander, Wing Commander Sridhar. With him flying was Wing Commander Janpriya. Number 3 was being flown by Wing Commander Chandan Patnaik. With him flying was Squadron Leader Avinash. Number 4 was being flown by Squadron Leader Karan Prabhakar. With him flying was Wing Commander Thakur Vikas Raj Singh. So these are all the pilots which I stated who were flying in the cockpit in all these 4 this thing.
Well, we did this show here in Shillong so that even people at Shillong can enjoy similar shows like they did at Guwahati just 5 days ago. And well, we were worried about weather. And like you saw in the morning where it was there was fog and then it was clouding, but then cleared up. And I hope that you and the crowd had actually enough thrills for at least for the day, if not for more. Frequently is a little difficult because the team comes here from way far down south in Sulur. Sulur is close to Coimbatore. And it takes time to get them across, and they do shows all across the country, depending upon what is the kind of event and in various locations. So no, this was part of their calendar, and so we got them here. But we'll now be working out into a calendar for the next year, and let's see. But maybe now that we've done one in Shillong, maybe we'll do it at a second location somewhere else in proximity, possibly. But yes, we of course will do some. See, you can see the hills around you. There are three challenges actually. One, of course, is the weather, which you saw, and it tends to be temperamental. The name of the state is Meghalaya, so Megh to hote hi hai. Right. But alongside with that, the elevation also makes it a little difficult on the performance of these aircraft. So they have to modify their profiles suitably, and then they have to operate in a somewhat tight zone. So that adds to the changes that they have to make to their profiles to make. But you saw them. It didn't look like they had any challenges, did they? They enjoyed it also. No, we had the Rafale at the Guwahati show also. But the Rafale has done flypasts earlier also. But yes, over Shillong, possibly the first time. We find that Meghalaya has a lot of youth who are very interested in the services and the Air Force especially. We see them when they come to our museum and the like. And I hope that shows like this will motivate them even further to come across and join. Yes.